Hello and welcome to Home Cook in Spain. Today I'm going to be making cabbage, potatoes and eggs salad. So let's start cooking. Okay then, so this is a very easy recipe to make with very simple ingredients. I've got a cabbage here from the other day, half a cabbage, which I'm going to use. You can also use cauliflower. Ouch! Sorry about that. Just banged my head on the phone. Take this bit off, and I'm going to take the outer leaf out because it's a bit worn out, isn't it? So what I'll do is, let me cut it in half. I'm just going to chuck that in the sink and give it separate it and give it a nice wash. Okay, check that out as well. And next I'll just peel the potatoes. I call this a salad because, well, my wife calls it a salad. I think it's something from Galicia. What do you think? Okay then. So once the potatoes are peeled, they're also in the sink. I'm going to wash them as well. Okay then, so once the the cabbage has been washed, I'll just stick it all in here, in this in this pot, and I'll slice the potatoes up. Here you go. And next I'll add the eggs onto it, which of course I have previously washed. Now I will put some salt in. Ouch! God! And I'll fill it with water. And next I'll put it on the stove and turn the heat right up so that I can bring it to the boil quicker. And while I wait for this to boil, I'll show you the sponge cake that I made my wife for her breakfast. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Let me know also if you want me to make a video of me making this. Right, so once this starts to boil, just turn the extractor fan on. I'm going to turn it down to number 8, just a notch, and cover it, leaving a gap. And we'll wait for it to cook, basically. I'll be back. Okay, so after about 15 minutes of being here boiling, I'm going to take the eggs out. Oops, this one's broken. Doesn't matter, still eat it. And I shall peel them. But before, let's have a look at this. Stab chick, al dente. So I reckon another 10 minutes before we turn it off. Let's peel the eggs. Okay, so the eggs are now peeled, and now they are sliced in half. So now we'll give this a check. And yes, all done. So we'll turn the heat off and we'll drain the water out. The old-fashioned way, of course. Over the sink and water out. And what I do is I always leave a bit of water in, just a tiny little bit. So I'll take this off the heat, I'll put it on there to cool down a bit, and I'm going to give this a quick clean over, in which I'm going to serve it. Okay then, so let's dish this up. There you go. Don't need a spoon or anything. It's quicker this way, isn't it? Whee! Oops, my wife is coming. I can hear the door from the garage. So now I'll put the eggs in. If they fit. Because I think I got a small bowl, didn't I? There you go. And to finish it off, first I will grab some olive oil and put it on top, because this is what makes it a salad. Nice generous amount of olive oil, which is good for you. Then I'm going to grab about half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. I'm going to put it on here gently, and I'm going to sprinkle it on top. So there you go, today's recipe. Well, I hope that you enjoyed my video today. Sorry if the camera kept moving about. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Please give me a like if you have enjoyed this, and I look forward to doing my next recipe video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.